fresh snow coming down here. I know they're calling for like 5 inches supposedly, but we all know how that works out. Some crow yelling at me in the trees. Not sure where he's at. So it's March, I think it's the 9th. Yeah, March 9th, we're getting snow. It was all melted as of this weekend. There's an ash tree that's about to hit the deck. So there you go. March snowfall in New England. All right, signing off because we've made it this far. Probably don't want to watch this video any longer. Actually, someone should let me know someday if they ever make it to the end of one of my videos. I'd be surprised, but I'm sure there's someone out there who may. All right, thanks for watching. Signing off. Hold on, I'm back. I just walked through the smell of skunk pee. So apparently we just missed a skunk. So probably best that it worked out that way. That the skunk has left the building. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna stop at this tree here. Try to get something that's not quite so shaky. Oops, I almost wiped out there. Zoom in so you can see what. It's actually snowing pretty hard. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad. Oh. Oops, there goes my hiking companion off into the forest. All right, I'm signing off this time. Like I said, let me know if you make it to the end of these videos. Because if you don't, I guess there's no point in making them this long. It's going to be a short snow hike video here for my short speed, whatever that is. So they're predicting like 5 inches today. Of course, we've only got about an inch right now, so time will tell. Thanks for watching. Not sure if anybody actually watches this channel or not, but that's what it looks like to hike in a fresh snowstorm. Signing off. So doing a fresh snow hike. Check out that hat, huh? It's 2 hats. It's a cap with a knit hat over the top because apparently that's the only way you can keep your head dry and keep the snow off your glasses. Those of you who are nearsighted understand my dilemma. All right, going down the hill here, so I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for watching. Always nice to walk through Mountain Laurel in the snow. Actually, any time of the year, but check these things out in snow here. Let's zoom out. Oops, you can't zoom out apparently. All right, well, forget that. You get the idea. Trying to wipe out going downhill here. So there you go. Hiking in Mountain Laurel in the snow. Maybe I'll do a tour of these in June when they bloom as well. There you go. All right, I'm gonna sign off here in a second. I'm gonna get some animal tracks there. See what that is. All right, there you go. Still in the forest.